Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to kind of go over some frequently asked questions about the Higher Dose Sauna Blanket. Now these questions are on the Higher Dose website if you do want to check them out, but I figured maybe some of you might find it helpful if I do a video and talk about it. So I'm going to be getting those questions from the Higher Dose website, but yeah, I hope you guys find this helpful. All right, so let's just go ahead and get right into this. So what is the difference between the infrared sauna and the infrared sauna blanket besides their form factor? So it says that the difference is simply that their blankets offer far infrared rays, whereas the sauna offers full spectrum. Another question is, what are far infrared rays? Far infrared rays may help deliver a deep detoxifying sweat and allow your body to push out those heavy metals and increase your heart rate for a healthy glow. That is one of the main reasons that I really wanted a sauna blanket, is to help eliminate toxins. Sweating helps to eliminate toxins, and just sometimes I'm lazy to work out. Of course, you shouldn't be replacing a sauna blanket with working out, or you shouldn't replace working out with a sauna blanket. Yeah, that's how you say it. But it is a great kind of addition to do, something to do every once in a while if you want to break a good sweat. It's great if you want just something that's really relaxing. So then what is the infrared sauna blanket made of? It is made of waterproof polyurethane PU fireproof cotton. Now, something that is important to know that some of you guys might find really helpful is that the Higher Dose sauna blanket is made with premium non-toxic fabrics. So it is made with non-toxic PU leather. It also has amethyst, tourmaline, and charcoal layers. So just thought that you guys might find that helpful to know. So it does use safe materials. You don't have to worry about it being made with toxic materials. So then another question is, what comes in the box? So you get your blanket, you get instructions, the controller, power supply cord, and connecting cords. The control panel is super easy to use. It's also compact. I feel like the Higher Dose sauna blanket is really nice for storage. It's nice that the control panel is small, and it's also really easy to use. So it says, since my face is exposed, will I still sweat as much as I do in the sauna, like a regular sauna? And they say you will get a good sweat in, and you will still sweat from your face since your body's core temperature will be heated as well. What we do while in the blanket is put on a healthy face mask. Since your pores will be open, it is great for your skin to soak that up. So that's something I really like to do as well. That's a really cool thing to do, is put a face mask on before you go in the sauna blanket. And it kind of, when you sweat, it helps your skin to kind of absorb that face mask. So I like to use either a detox mask or a very hydrating mask, moisturizing mask, but don't use any like exfoliating mask. You don't want that, because you don't want your skin to be wet when you use an exfoliating mask. And yes, you definitely sweat from your face. Your body's core gets heated up, and it makes you sweat from your face, which can result in glowing skin. It's good to sweat, get out those toxins. So then it says, are there different settings, temperature / timing? What does this part look like? So it says, yes, you can adjust the temperature on the controller. The controller is really easy to use. It has levels 1 through 8. I personally like to use 7. That level really makes me sweat. They say not to use level 8 unless none of the other levels make you sweat. I like to use level 5 or 6 if I just want to be really relaxed, because level 5 and 6 doesn't really make me sweat as much, but level 7 will make me sweat more. I normally use level 7 because when I use the sauna blanket, I normally want to get a good sweat. So level 7, it makes me sweat. Of course, this can be different from person to person, but that is just me personally. So then it says, how do I clean the blanket? It says, cleaning the blanket is very easy to use. We recommend using an antibacterial wipe after each use. A homemade solution of vinegar with tea tree, lavender, and or thyme essential oil works great too. So yeah, it's super easy to clean. I personally make my own little concoction for a cleaner. I just combine warm water with some tea tree essential oil and some lemongrass essential oil. It smells really nice, and it just gets the job done. And it's really gentle to use on the sauna blanket. So then it says, can I travel with my blanket? Yes, the blanket is easily folded and could fit under a bed, into a suitcase, in a car. Yeah, so it definitely is very travel friendly. So you can put it under your bed, or you can put it in a closet. It's really easy to store it. Is it safe to use every day? Yes. Listen to your body and how you're feeling and use your best judgment, but we use them very regularly. Of course, like if you're using it and you're feeling too hot, or you feel like you're gonna pass out, get out. Like, don't push it. But it is safe to use it every day. Just like it says on their website, listen to your body. If you feel like you're just getting too hot, get out and just don't overuse it if it's making you feel weird or bad in any way. I personally haven't had that issue. Sometimes when I'm using it at a level 7 and it just really starts to make me sweat and I just start feeling really hot, then I'll just get out. Like I don't push it, and sometimes I don't do it for the full hour. It has an automatic timer that sets it to be on for an hour. I don't always use it for a full hour, especially when I do it on level 7. Sometimes when I do it on level 7, around like 30 to 40 minutes, I'll start feeling like really hot and then I just get out. So that's fine. You don't have to use it for the full hour. But yeah, so just listen to your body. Do you ship internationally? Yes. And then it says, do I plug it in? Yes, the product plugs into a standard 3-prong type B outlet. And then it says, how long does it take to heat up? Only about 10 minutes. Yeah, it heats up really, really quickly. So you can just turn it on and then put on the clothes that you're gonna wear for it. Also, if you haven't seen my full review video or you don't know this, you actually want to wear long pants and long sleeves, wear socks. You wanna be covered when you go in the sauna blanket. I know that might sound weird, but it helps to kind of protect your body from the heat, and it also helps to kind of absorb that sweat as well. So it helps it so the sauna blanket doesn't get as messy. But yeah, just make sure you wear long pants and long sleeves and socks. Also, if you guys are wondering about the size of the sauna blanket, it is 71 by 71 inches when it is unfolded, and the maximum interior circumference when in use is about 65 inches. But yeah, if you guys do want to see my full review on the higher dose sauna blanket, I do have a review video on my YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description box below, or you can just search higher dose sauna blanket Danny Smith on YouTube and it should come up. Also, if you guys are interested in trying the sauna blanket, you guys can get $75 off with the code Danny75. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you guys do want to see more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video.